All right, I'm going to show you how to turn in poster 3.1. We're going to open up the assignment. We're going to go add Google Drive, and inside Google Drive, we're going to come up here, and if you named it correctly, you should have named it poster. And then you can click on it and press insert. Now, if you didn't name it correctly, then you're going to have to go to My Drive, okay? And then you're going to have to look for it in your drive. But you should have named it correctly, poster, right? Or you used your name, one of the two. So if it doesn't show up on this recent screen right here, then you got to go to My Drive and look for it. But in the case of this one, it's right here. We press insert. The drawing is uploaded. We know it's correct because we can see the picture. We press turn in, and then our work is grayed out. All right? So make sure you get that one turned in.